Welcome back, everyone. This is our final TOEFL writing lesson, and today we're focusing on Concession, a powerful tool in academic writing. You might have seen it in sample essays, but what exactly is it, and how can we use it effectively? Let's break it down. Concession means acknowledging an opposing point of view before refuting it. Why do we do this? Because it shows that you've considered different perspectives, making your argument more convincing. But don't stop at acknowledgement. You need to refute the opposing view to reinforce your position. Let's look at an example. Some believe that traditional classroom learning is more effective because in-person interaction helps students understand concepts better. That seems reasonable, right? But here's where we refute. While face-to-face learning has its advantages, online education offers flexibility, accessibility, and a vast range of learning materials. This allows students to tailor their learning experience to their own needs, proving that online education can be just as effective. See how this works? First, we acknowledge the opposing view. Then we counter it with a strong argument. This makes our writing more balanced and persuasive. To use concession effectively, follow these steps. First, acknowledge the opposing view. Then use transition words like "some argue that," or "while it is true that," to introduce it. Finally, refute it with a strong counterpoint. This technique keeps your argument clear and logical. Time to practice. Here's a statement. The rise of online payments increases security risks and excludes people who lack access to technology. How would you concede and then refute this statement? Try structuring your response using the concession technique. Fantastic work today. To recap, concession adds balance to your argument, but refutation is what makes it truly strong. Keep practicing, and you'll master this technique in no time. That's a wrap for our TOEFL writing lessons. Thank you for joining me, and see you in our other lessons on reading, listening, and speaking. Good luck! Want to practice with real TOEFL questions? Start your free trial. You'll unlock over 4,000 questions, authentic mock tests, and detailed AI feedback that fixes your mistakes line by line. Click the button below. No credit card needed. Let's turn your notes into a perfect score essay.